Toyota announced a $1.3 billion investment at its flagship Kentucky facility for future electrification efforts, including assembly of an all-new 3-row battery electric SUV for the U.S. market. The project brings the plant's total investment to nearly $10 billion and reinforces Toyota's commitment to high-quality vehicles and long-term job stability. The investment supports the previously announced future BEV assembly at Toyota Kentucky. It also adds a battery pack assembly line to the facility, with batteries being supplied by Toyota Battery Manufacturing North Carolina. Toyota Kentucky has been a hub of the automaker's North American operations since 1986. Its nearly 9,400 team members have assembled some of the most beloved nameplates in the Toyota lineup, including the Camry, America's best-selling passenger car for 22 consecutive years. Since 2021, Toyota has announced new investments totaling $17 billion into its U.S. manufacturing operations to support electrification efforts. Increasing BEV assembly in North America advances Toyota's portfolio approach to electrification and commitment to building where we sell.